Hello, I'm Ray Truman, Truman Associates, and we deal with insurance claims on behalf of the public, that be domestic or business insurance claims. They dealt in carpentry, and it was a premises that lay underneath a very high cliff, and the problem was that there was water coming into the premises, and the council came along to have a look, and they decided that the water wasn't that much of a problem, but bits could fall off the cliff onto and into the premises and be a danger to the work people inside. And what happened was that the business was closed by the council under a dangerous buildings situation. And they then had no business to operate, and their insurance broker decided that it would be a good idea to call me in. Now, I mentioned earlier that there was some water coming in, and that was the clue, that was the key to it. Because you can't really claim for the council coming along and closing your business per se. But what I identified was that the water was coming from an area that should have been fixed by the water board some months earlier. A little bit of digging had disclosed that there was a problem with drainage above. The council had come out, they hadn't done an effective repair, and so there was still a trickle of this water coming into the premises. So I was able to make an insurance claim that enabled the occupiers of their premises to find alternative premises and to restart their business at a temporary accommodation whilst the situation of the water was sorted out. The other benefit, not only making a claim under the escape of water heading of an insurance policy, but because it was originated from a drain that should have been maintained by the local council, they have an obligation, a statutory obligation, to keep the water within their pipeways, and so the insurance company, having paid out this company for their losses and their relocation expenses, were able to claim that back from the council, from the water authority, that didn't do their job properly. So it was a happy result all the way around. The company that was closed down couldn't claim for what they were primarily closed for. However, there was an insurance claim that could have been pursued with a little bit of research, and I was able to twist the thing round so that it was a valid insurance claim and the client was able to carry on in business. And that's the sort of thing that we can do. So that's Ray Truman. If you want to know more, please sign on to my website www.trumanassociates.co.uk.